Welcome back to another video here in our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango. Today, I'm bringing you a little challenge for you. It's not about technique, it's not about explaining how everything works. We are going to have a challenge that you are going to follow. I will present to you a little sequence with Enrosques, with a little bit of Boleos, and you will try to follow. Do your best. I want to give you some pointers, and this is mainly for the leaders, but also, of course, followers. If you want to do it, of course, you are more than welcome. So let me show you once how it looks in front of you. Then I will rotate so you have the version from behind so you can follow along. First, let me show you how this works. I'm going to be doing this. Front, enrosque, and cross. Front, enrosque, shk. One, para pa pam. One, para pa pam. One, boleo, boleo, pivot, side and feet together. So if you are ready, let me rotate and follow me. Slow motion first and later a little more with dynamic so you have homework. So change body weight to your right. We go left, towards your left, enrosque, 3/4 of turn. Kick, cross behind, facing the other direction. Front and cruzada to create enrosque. Zoom. Front. Side tap step. Front. Side tap step. To boleos towards your right. Boleo. Boleo step. Pivot. Side and feet together. Now we are going to do it a little faster. And I would like to mention all these little steps that we are doing. We are working a lot, very much in depth in technique in the courses that we usually have on Sundays via Zoom online. So check that out at our website, miriamleonardotango.com. So follow me now that you know that. So let's change body weight to your right and let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Just for now, breathing. 1, 2, and step, step, and step. Front, boleo, boleo, step, feet together. Side, one last time. Ready to step with your left. Step, cross, cross, front, enrosque to zoom. Step, para pa pam pam, step, para pa pam pam, 2 boleos, 1, 2, step, pivot, side, and feet together. This was just for fun, for you to practice, to challenge you, and if you can, send us your video when you are practicing via text. You have all our contacts, via Messenger, via Instagram. You have all our social media, so send us what you have achieved. So we look forward to seeing you in the next one. And before you leave, thumbs up to this video if you're enjoying and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. See you next one. Take care.